In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing in Squarespace. If you want your text to feel more readable, more polished, or simply better spaced visually, Squarespace gives you a simple way to adjust that directly in your site styling settings. We'll be working inside the font settings, where you can control line height and also fine-tune letter spacing for an even cleaner look. To get started, open your Squarespace site editor and look to the top right corner. Click on Site Styles. This is where Squarespace keeps many of your global design settings, so any adjustments you make here can affect the overall appearance of your site rather than just one single text block. Once Site Styles is open, find the Fonts section. You'll see an arrow beside it, so go ahead and click that arrow to expand the font settings. This area lets you control how your typography looks across the site, including things like font choices and spacing behavior. After that, click on Miscellaneous. This section contains additional text settings that aren't always grouped with the main heading or paragraph controls. So if you're specifically looking for spacing options, this is an important place to check. Now you can adjust the line height setting. Line height controls the vertical space between lines of text. Increasing it can make paragraphs easier to read, especially if your text feels cramped. Lowering it can create a tighter, more compact look, which may work better for certain design styles. As you move the control, keep an eye on the preview so you can choose a balance that looks good and still feels comfortable to read. Next, adjust the letter spacing setting. While this is not the same as line spacing, it works alongside it to affect the overall appearance of your text. Letter spacing changes the horizontal space between characters. A small adjustment here can make text feel more refined, but it's usually best to keep changes subtle so the text stays natural and easy to scan. As you make these changes, take a moment to review how your headings, body text, and other content appear together. Good spacing is about readability as much as style, so aim for a result that fits your brand while still being easy for visitors to read. And that's it. By going into Site Styles, opening fonts, selecting Miscellaneous, and adjusting line height and letter spacing, you can quickly improve the way text looks on your Squarespace website.